How to transfer WhatsApp chats from one phone to another. Before starting, I highly recommend backing up your chats and media because the transfer process can sometimes fail. I've already made a detailed video on how to back up WhatsApp chats. You can check it from the card on the top or in the pinned comment. Now for the transfer process, open WhatsApp on your main phone, tap on the three dots, go to Settings, then Chats, and tap on Transfer Chats. After that, tap on Start, and your phone will generate a code. That's all you need to do on the main phone for now. Now on your second phone, open WhatsApp. Tap on Agree and Continue, and verify your phone number. And make sure it's the same mobile number you were using on your old phone. Also, keep your SIM card in the old phone, not in the new one. After verification, it will ask for a 6-digit code. Enter the code shown on your old phone. Then tap Continue and allow all required permissions. After that, you'll see the Transfer Chat History option. Tap on Continue again. It will ask for nearby devices and location permission, so allow everything and make sure both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now, use the old phone to scan the QR code. Once connected, the transfer process will start. It may take some time depending on your data. After completion, all your chats will be transferred exactly as they were. And on your old phone, you'll see an option to remove account from this device. Tap on it and you're done.